Welcome on in, everybody, to a 2-minute tutorial Tuesday. This week we are learning the revolution cut. As you see, my cat is here. So go back and check out the Charlier cut if you haven't from last week, because we're going to start out in the same position. So we're going to start out in the raised dealer's grip like this. You're going to drop cards down here, but instead this time we are going to bring our index finger from the top over to the side with our middle finger and let go with our middle finger and ring finger. So the deck is being held between the index and the thumb. Now this ring finger is going to come around and you're going to move your thumb over and clip this corner of the top packet with your ring finger, and then you're going to let it take it from your thumb. And now your thumb's going to come over and push the top corner of this packet just like this so that that rotates. Sorry, I got a cat walking across me. And then now your index finger is going to retreat down inside so that this packet here can fall and that can go on top. So if you do it at full speed, it looks like this, right? So again, lift up, you're gonna move your index down here. Ring finger comes all the way around here. You can move it with your thumb and rotate it to meet it. And then you push your thumb here to make this packet clear, and then you retreat your index finger and close it just like that. So yeah, you'll eventually get it down and it'll look like that. So thank you so much for tuning into this 2-minute tutorial Tuesday. Very excited for next week, and I hope that you guys join us. Thank you guys so much. Say goodbye, Stella. Say goodbye, Kiddy. Nope. Goodbye, guys. Again, whoop. A revolution cut. Yeah. See if I can. Oh no, not a full. Oh yikes. Was this your card, Kiddy? Was this your card?